Hello students, myself Aman Birkar. Today we shall start over our chapter number 12, it's plant world. So the amazing world of plants is all around us. So plants are found everywhere. They are of different kinds and there are many kinds of plants. Some are big and some are very small. They are of different size, shapes and colors. Plants do not move but they grow. So they grow with the help of water, air and sunlight. So next one is types of plants. Do you know about the types of plants? Yes, there are 5 types of plants. First one is tree, second one shrubs, third one herbs, fourth one is climber and last one is creepers. So first one is tree. Very big and strong plants are called trees and they have a thick and woody stem that is called trunk and they are of different size and shapes. They live for many years. Some examples of trees like banyan tree, neem tree and peepal tree. So next one is shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees and they have a thick and brown stem and they are very bushy. So some example of shrubs like rose plant, jasmine plant, so next one is herbs. Herbs are very small plant and they have green and soft stems and some herbs are also used to make medicine like tulsi and mint. These are used to make medicine. So next one is climbers. They have a weak stem and they cannot grow straight. They need support to stand and grow straight. So some example of climbers are beans and money plant. Next one is creeper. Some plants grow along the ground that is called creepers. For example, watermelon and pumpkin. So these are parts of plants. So next one is, these are kinds of trees. Next one is parts of plants. Can you tell me about the parts of plants? Can you see this plant? Yes. So these are the roots of plants. This is a stem. It's a leaf, fruit, it's bud, and this is a flower. So first one is roots. So roots are grow below the soil and roots keeps the plant fixed in the soil. they help to plant get food and water from the soil. So next one is stem. Stem is the thickest and strongest part of the plant, and it generally green and brown in color, and it grows above the soil. So next one is leaf. So leaves are different in size, shapes and colors, and they make food for the plants using sunlight. Next one is flower. A flower grows into a fruit and which has seeds inside it, and a seed grow into a new plant. So next one is plants modification. So what is plants modification? It means it performs some special function than normal ones. So first one is roots. Some roots store food and water, like they are called storage plants, storage roots, and we can eat these roots, for example carrot and radish. Next one is stem. Stem, like you can see, stem is grows above the soil, and some underground stems like potato, onion, ginger store food in their stems. So next one is uses of plants. Can you tell me, students, about the uses of plants? Plants are very useful to us, and we get many things from plants, like we get fruits from plants, we get vegetables from plants, and plants are also used to make medicines, and like some herbs for used making a medicine like mint, tulsi, and we get wood from trees, and it is used to make furniture and even our pencils. And we get rubber from rubber plant, and we get oil from the plants also, like coconut and mustard seeds are common examples. So plants such as rose and jasmine are used to make perfumes. And plants are very important for us. They make the air fresh and clean, and also we get oxygen from plants. With the help of plants we can survive in this world. Plant also provides shelter to animals, and every year in the month of July a tree plantation drive is celebrated, that is called Van Mahotsav, and its main objectives are it provides shelter to animals and to encourage care for trees. So students, in this chapter we discussed about different kinds of plants and different parts of plants and also uses of plants. Thank you.